Hey everyone, welcome back to D4 Diet, the channel where food meets fact and myths get busted. Today we are diving into a question that sits up kitchen and conversation. Is ghee better than oil? You have probably heard that ghee is a super fat rooted in Ayurvedic tradition, but on the flip side, modern science warns about saturated fat. So who's right? Let's break it down with science, history, and a spoonful of common sense. What is ghee? Ghee is a form of clarified butter made by simmering butter to remove milk solids. It originated in South Asia but is now gaining global popularity, especially in Europe and among keto lovers. It's rich in saturated fat, has a high smoke point, and contains fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. But here's the big question: is that a saturated fat good or bad? What is cooking oil? Cooking oil come in many types, like a vegetable oil from sunflower and corn, olive oil, extra virgin and refined, canola oil, avocado oil, flaxseed oil, and more. These oils are often rich in unsaturated fats, especially omega-3 and omega-6, which are considered heart healthy. But not all oils are created equal. Some are highly processed and some break down into toxins when overheated. Now move to ghee versus oil. Nutritional comparison. Fat type. Ghee is a saturated fat type and olive oil is a monosaturated fat. Smoke point. Ghee has high smoke point, about 250 degrees centigrade, and olive oil has medium smoke point, which is about 196 degrees centigrade for EVOO. Vitamins. Ghee has A, D, E, and K vitamins, and olive oil has only E vitamin. Cooking use. Ghee is used in frying and baking. On the other hand, olive oil is used in salads or low heat cooking. Now move to the pros and cons of ghee and olive oil. Ghee pros. It is great for high heat cooking, shelf stable, contains butyrate, support gut health, flavor rich, requires small quantity. Now move to its cons. It is high in saturated fat, may raise LDL, bad cholesterol. Not suitable for people with heart diseases unless monitored. Now move to the pros of olive oil. It is a heart-friendly fats, anti-inflammatory, ideal for Mediterranean-style diets. Now move to its cons. It can oxidize at high temperature, less stable for deep frying. What science says? Modern research doesn't say saturated fat is evil, but it does suggest balance is key. The American Heart Association still advises limiting saturated fats, especially in people at risk of heart diseases. However, some studies show ghee in moderation may actually be better than refined oils, especially when cooking at high heat. A study in the Indian Journal of Medical Research showed that ghee didn't significantly raise cholesterol in healthy adults when used in controlled amounts. On the other hand, extra virgin olive oil has the most evidence for heart health, especially in European countries following the Mediterranean diet. So when to use ghee and when to use oil? Use ghee when cooking at high heat. You want rich flavor in curries or rice. You are on a low carb, high fat or Ayurvedic diet. You are not at risk for heart diseases and use it in small amounts. Now use olive oil when dressing salads. Cooking at low medium heat, you are focusing on heart healthy fats, following a Mediterranean or plant-based diet. Bonus tip is that you can also mix your oils. Use ghee for cooking, olive oil for finishing. So is ghee better than oil? The answer is it depends on how much and how you use it. Ghee is not your enemy and neither is oil. Both can be part of a healthy diet if you use high quality sources, avoid deep frying often, focus on variety and moderation. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, do you cook more with ghee or oil and why? This is D4 Diet, and remember, the real flavor of life is in balance.